In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to email customer statements using Xero step by step. Whether you want to send a summary of all transactions or just remind customers about outstanding invoices, Xero makes it quick and professional. If you run a business and need to stay on top of your accounts receivable, this is a feature you'll definitely want to use. I'll walk you through everything from choosing the right statement type to customizing the email before it goes out. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Xero guides. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and go to the main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Contacts. In the drop-down, select Send Statements. This will take you to the Statements screen, where you can generate and email statements to your customers. At the top of the page, you'll see options to choose your statement type. You have two main choices, Activity and Outstanding. The activity statement shows all transactions within a selected date range. This includes invoices, payments, credit notes, and any other activity on the account. This option is useful if your customer wants a full account history for a specific period. The outstanding statement, on the other hand, only shows unpaid invoices. This is ideal if you're sending a payment reminder and want to keep the focus on what's currently due. Next, select your date range. Choose the start date and the end date for the statement period. For example, you might select the 1st of February 2026 to the 28th of February 2026. Make sure the date range matches the reporting period you want your customer to see. Once you've selected the statement type and the correct dates, click Update. Xero will now refresh the list and generate statements based on your selections. You'll now see a list of customers with statements available for sending. Review the list carefully. Next to each customer name, there's a checkbox. Tick the boxes for the customers you want to email statements to. You can select one customer or multiple customers at the same time, depending on your needs. After selecting your customers, click the Email button at the top of the list. A pop-up window will appear, showing the email template that will be sent to your customers. This is an important step because you can review and customize the message before sending it. In the pop-up, you'll see the subject line and the message body. You can edit the subject to make it more specific, such as adding the month or a friendly reminder note. In the message body, you can personalize the email, add payment instructions, or include a polite reminder about due dates. Taking a few extra seconds to tailor this message can improve your chances of getting paid on time. You'll also see an option that says, Send me a copy. If you want a copy of the statement email sent to your own inbox for record keeping, make sure to tick this box. This is a great way to keep proof of communication and stay organized. Once you're happy with the subject, message, and selected recipients, click Send. Xero will then email the statements directly to your selected customers. And that's it. Your customer statements have been sent quickly and professionally. Using this feature regularly can help you improve cash flow, reduce late payments, and maintain clear communication with your clients. It only takes a few minutes and it keeps your accounts receivable process smooth and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.